morning, welcome to sunny Jamaica. We just had this cool storm passing through here. Nothing super big, but was fantastic. Waves are awesome over there, out there on the reef. Great, I love nature like this. Anyways, I'm super pumped to start season number 2 here on the channel. If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Roland. If you've already been here for season number 1, welcome back. Super stoked, season number 2. Let's start this. So if you've been here in season number 1, you might say, Jamaica? Why Jamaica? You promised us a rally bike road trip on the Canary Islands, and you're right, absolutely. The thing is, I had some thoughts about the channel itself, about all this stuff, and what to do next, where to go next, and I think I have a pretty good idea and a cool idea of what to do now. But first things first, of course you're right, a promise is a promise. Woo-hoo-hoo, it's super wet here. You will get your Canary Island road trip, of course. Daniel from Superposition Films is already working on the footage. We will do a little mini series of the Canary road trip. I think it will be out in, let's say, more or less 2 weeks. But yeah, not in a vlog style. A little bit different style, but you will love it, you will love it. About the vlog, I've got a few questions from you guys about the technical aspect of the bike build, of course, but I also got questions about the camera aspect, about what gear I use, what cameras, how I edit, stabilization and stuff like this. And I really love this topic. I've been in this even before I've been into motorbikes, and I think it's a cool idea to cover this topic in the vlog too. Really to tell you guys how I vlog and how I mount the cameras and the motorbike and so on. So this will change a little bit. Another thing that will change is the style of the videos, the style of this channel. Maybe you can already see in this video, change the colors a little bit, and really want to raise the quality of the videos by a fair bit. So for all of you that might think, but wait, camera stuff, I came here for motorcycles. Of course, the main topic of this channel will not change. I'm a motorcycle guy and I want to ride, and I want to keep this channel about all this. I want to go even a step further and say I will not only ride, I say the next big step to do is to race, and I say let's go to Greece and pick the Hellas Rally for the next main goal. Hellas Rally, of course, not this year. I'm an absolute beginner, I always say this. I need a lot of training, a lot of preparation. I have no idea about rally navigation, so I have to learn all this stuff. But I think it's pretty cool to take you guys on this trip with me, to really share with you the steps I have to do to get there, and to share with you the failures I will do, and I'm pretty sure I will. And yeah, and go there together. Come with me to Hellas Rally 2020, and let's do this. Okay, but before we can even think about starting all this training and stuff like this, we have to get back home, and this is what we will do today. My flight is going in a few hours. I have to pack the rest of the stuff up in the room. I will take you guys with me up, and I will take you guys with me on the flight back home. But before I will pack the rest, I have to jump in the sea one more time. I will say, until then, see you up in the room. I will go for a swim. That's it. stuff is packed. We're super late. I have to go to the airport, get a shirt on, and then get the stuff down to the reception, and yeah, off we are. I have the room key. And back on the airport, and absolutely not in the mood to hop on the plane and go onto a 10 or 11 hour flight back home. It will be a long trip, and from there on a few hours more of driving, but yeah. Anyways, we have to get home. Let's do this. So this one is for all of you that are saying this vlog episode is not motorcycle related so far. Here's for you. Harley Davidson. Okay, that's enough. Back to rally bikes. Travel pro tip. Travel pro tip. Always wait. Let the other ones get on the plane first. The plane will wait for you. They will not fly without you as long as you're not super late. But I hate to sit in this tiny plane and wait until forever until everybody's on board. So I prefer to be the last. But now it's time for me to get on board too. Let's go. Seated. So 11 hours to go. Vamos, let's do this. Breakfast. Made it, arrived in Düsseldorf, Germany, -3 degrees, started at +30. I don't want to go out there. Now finding the car and then 4-hour drive back home. Okay, -3 seriously is no fun. Snow around, I really could directly jump back on the plane and go back. It's not funny, and I'm super tired. Now I have no idea which floor I've parked the car. Super smart too. Well, so I have to film this. Let's do it. Okay, this was the wrong park deck. Let's check one more upstairs. There he is. Now back down again, picking up the family. made it out of the car and into the house. That's it for today. The vlog episode number 1. We made it home. I'm super tired. Don't know what to say anymore. I just need to get in the house. Yeah, have a shower and get into bed. I'm out. Bye. Let's have a quick look. Woo! Chaos, but she's still there. This is how we go on with the vlog. I have no idea what next episode will be about, but this baby has to be the star in the next one. So I'm really out for today. See you in the next one. Bye bye.